Hello everybody, I'm Sneha Ogle and today we are going to see how to sign up for Screencast-O-Matic. First, in the Google search window, we'll type Screencast-O-Matic. We get a link for Screencast-O-Matic screen recorder and video editor. Once we click on this link, it will take us to the website of Screencast-O-Matic. Now we need to click on the orange tab that says sign up, it's free. Once we click here, we come to the sign up page. There are two options. We can either sign up with Google or we can use our email ID for the same. Since I'm already logged into my Google account, I shall sign up with Google. Now we're in. The next step would be to launch the recorder. Once this is launched, we will click on it. We can expand the region for recording the screen of the computer. It also has the option for use of a laptop camera. Thank you.